Greetings, gold enthusiasts. The purity of gold jewelry is expressed in carats, which indicate the proportion of pure gold in the alloy. Pure gold, often referred to as 24-karat gold, is too soft for most practical uses. It is commonly alloyed with other metals to increase its strength and durability. Gold purity is crucial when assessing the value of gold items. Higher purity gold typically commands a higher price per gram due to its greater gold content. When selling or buying gold jewelry, it's essential to know the purity of the gold alloy to accurately determine its value. Gold purity is often indicated by hallmarks stamped onto jewelry. The geography of gold jewelry production and consumption can vary significantly by carat and country due to cultural preferences, economic conditions, and regulatory standards. 9-karat gold is less common in fine jewelry due to its lower pure gold content of 37.5%. But it may still be used in some regions for more affordable pieces. It's often found in countries where there is a strong demand for lower-cost jewelry, such as the United Kingdom, Australia, and South Africa. Similar to 9-karat gold, 10-karat gold is not as prevalent in high-end jewelry, but is popular for its affordability. The content of pure gold in 10-karat jewelry is 41.7%, and the rest is alloy of other often mixed metals. 10-karat gold is sturdy and can't be scratched or bent easily. Its common use is in the United States and Canada, where jewelry consumers often prioritize cost-effectiveness. 14-karat gold is widely favored for jewelry in numerous countries. This carat strikes an ideal balance, boasting a gold purity of 58.3% while maintaining durability suitable for everyday wear. Significant consumers and producers of 14-karat gold jewelry include the United States, Russia, Canada, and Mexico, highlighting its widespread appeal and practicality in the jewelry industry. 18-karat gold is considered a standard for fine jewelry. 18-karat gold is widely used in many parts of the world. It's popular across Europe, including countries like Italy, France, and Germany, where consumers appreciate its higher gold content and quality. 19-karat gold is found in Portugal. Unlike anywhere else, the government standard for gold jewelry is 19.2 karat, which is exactly 80% pure gold. Portugal has a rich history of goldsmithing and jewelry making, and Portuguese gold jewelry is often admired for its intricate designs, craftsmanship, and quality. 21-karat gold refers to gold that is 87.5% pure. In some cultures, 21-karat gold holds particular significance, and it may be favored for its vibrant color and high gold content. Countries in the Middle East and Southeast Asia, like Kuwait, Qatar, and Indonesia, have a preference for 21-karat gold jewelry. 22-karat gold jewelry is known for its rich color and high gold content of 91.6%. 22-karat gold is highly prized in many parts of the world, especially in Asia. Countries like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh have a strong tradition of crafting and wearing 22-karat gold jewelry. Thailand has a rich tradition of gold jewelry craftsmanship, and 23-karat gold jewelry holds significant cultural and economic importance in the country. Thai consumers have a strong preference for high-purity gold, particularly 23-karat gold, which is of 96.5% purity. Jewelry stores and markets across Thailand offer a wide variety of 23-karat gold jewelry, ranging from traditional designs to modern styles to cater to diverse tastes and preferences. As the purest form of gold, 24-karat gold is valued for its intrinsic beauty. While less commonly used in jewelry due to its softness, it may still be found in certain regions where there's a preference for pure gold pieces. In places like China, many show off the 24 carats in its purest form through a variety of jewelry. 24-karat gold jewelry represents the epitome of purity, luxury, and timeless elegance, and holds enduring appeal for those who appreciate its beauty and significance.